What's going on, Pro Cutters? John here, and we were at Home Goods and saw this model, which is an upgrade from the one we have, and I just couldn't resist myself because our existing toaster oven, some of the buttons are kind of funky and you got to push them a bunch of times, and it's aggravating. So when I saw this for this deal, I couldn't pass it up. The Amazon price was $400 and we got it at Home Goods for $299. Plus I opened a Home Goods credit card and got another 10% off. So it was a smoking deal. I just couldn't resist it. And what this is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. So not only can we get rid of our old oven, which is annoying, but we can get rid of our air fryer and a few other things as well. So let me turn this to the back. We can go over some of the features.
Donovan is here too. Say hi, Donovan.
Alright, so this is got Element IQ heating technology, 13 preset functions, stainless steel and non-stick coating interior, 8 rack positions, PID temperature control. We'll have to look into PID later. I'm not sure what that is. Oven light, which our old model didn't have the light, so that's cool. Super convection with 2-speed fan. The other one was 1-speed. Multi-phase cooking, temperature conversion and frozen food buttons, extra large capacity, stainless steel removable crumb tray, which is handy for cleaning, and our old one had that as well. Alright, and this is just the same thing in different languages. Alright, and then the world's first countertop oven with super convection that gives you the ultimate control over heat. It's got air fry, dehydrate, roast, bake, slow cook, pizza, broil, and proof. Alright, let's get it opened up. See what's in the box. Alright, so the first thing is the crumb tray and the book, which of course we probably will never open and use.
I will.
Comes with a pizza tray. Got the first rack.
I can already tell by looking at these pieces that this is much larger than our old toaster oven. I hope it fits on a shelf.
Alright, this one's got a 90-degree plug on it from the factory, which is cool. Takes up less space behind things. Alright, let's get this out of here.
Donovan, go help.
It's gonna be a fight. Let's take this side out first. Alright, this might help. So it's got a small tray.
Broiler pan?
Broiler pan, but it doesn't. Okay, so instead of like the old school broiler pans, this small tray goes inside there. It's got the fry basket, which is kind of slick. Alright, now maybe we can get this thing out of here. Maybe.
Is it heavy?
There we go. Got a second tray. It's very tight in the packaging, so
You need my help?
it's not super easy to get out of there. Alright, there we go.
Whew.
It's a battle. Alright, so we take the styrofoam off the sides.
At least it's packed really well.
Good Lord, have mercy.
John, it just went black. Oh. Okay.
Alright. She's a biggin'. Just like some of y'all's high school girlfriends.
Oh my.
Come on, that was a callback to an older video. Alright. Get some of this up out of the way here.
Now, we have a problem. We have a problem, John.
What's the problem?
It's so shiny and pretty, I don't want to use it. Because it'll get dirty.
Lord have mercy.
I know I'm not the only one.
Y'all see what I'm dealing with.
Donovan is intently watching. Wants to know what you're going to make for him for lunch.
Alright. Now, we can start opening up some of this other stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the book off of the crumb tray. And we'll go ahead and unwrap the crumb tray. And ooh, that joker's like a mirror right there.
Let me zoom in on the front of this. So I can see.
Alright, so the crumb tray slides in real nice and easy like. Next up, we'll put one of these oven racks in. And the oven racks, they can go this way or this way, so you kind of got a little micro adjustment. And you've got your fry basket. I'm pretty excited about this part right here because we make a lot of French fries and stuff. So that'll be pretty cool. And then what's this say here? It's not in English, so your guess would be as good as mine on what that says.
Is the other one in English?
Oh, here we go. Yeah, on the front. There's two. Good call. Do not use with foods that drip while cooking.
Yeah.
On account, it's an open mesh basket. Kind of common sense there.
I don't think John mentioned that we have the Ninja Foodie dual basket air fryer that this will now replace, that we can get rid of that one. So, and that basket looks almost like two of the drawer sizes. It's huge.
Okay, and this broiler pan can fit right inside of that basket, so that's kind of interesting. And then this tray goes inside the broiler pan. And then you've got a second rack. I might add, with all these extra racks and stuff, not super tiny house friendly. But hey, what are you gonna do? And then the last thing to unwrap is the pizza oven disc. And this is either 12 or 14 inches. So that's 9. So it looks like it's 14 inches. I'll have to verify that with the tape measure. And you got some writing here: oven lamp replacement. Unplug it, allow it to cool off, and use 25-watt oven bulb with UV filter. Do not fully extend the rack with a pot on it. Well, yeah, that's kind of common sense. If you extend this rack all the way and you got a heavy pot on it, it could tip the thing forward or something. So there she is in all her glory. And when we start cooking something in this thing, we'll go ahead and give you guys some cooking videos. But thanks for watching. There's the unboxing of our new Breville, and the model on this unit is the, let's see, BOV 900 BSS, the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.